Hi, in this video we will demonstrate trading of mutual funds in ETNA Trader. Unlike stocks and bonds which can simply be bought and sold on the exchange, mutual funds have their own special properties that differentiate them from other security types. For example, mutual funds can be exchanged or liquidated, realized capital gains and dividends can either be reinvested or distributed back to the owner. All of these parameters must be determined before an order can be placed. And for this reason, ETNA Trader features separate UI components for trading of mutual funds both in our web and mobile apps. Let's take a look. Right now we are in ETNA Trader web looking at the mutual funds trade ticket widget. It is kind of similar to the regular trade ticket widget, however there are some differences. Let's say we want to buy some mutual fund. Let's specify its ticker symbol. Here we have it, Fidelity Contra Fund. Now let's select our action. We can buy the mutual fund, sell it. We can also exchange it if, for example, this fund belongs to a family of funds which can freely be exchanged. And finally, we can perform full liquidation and thereby redeem our shares in the fund and receive our money back. Now, depending on the action, we have different quantity qualifiers. So, for example, if we are selling a mutual fund, we can sell a fraction of our holdings worth a specific amount. For example, $200 worth of our holdings. Or we can simply sell 100 shares. However, if we simply want to buy a mutual fund, we usually buy a certain amount in dollars. For example, if some investor sets aside a certain fraction of their income every single month, they can buy, for example, $400 worth of this fund every month. And finally, before we can place the order, we have to determine what we're going to do with our dividends and capital gains. So here we can select the Reinvest Dividends checkbox, and that will ensure that all of the dividends received by this mutual fund from its holdings will be further reinvested by the management. And similarly with short-term gains and long-term gains. Investors can choose to reinvest short and long-term gains because capital gains qualify as taxable income, and instead of receiving those gains and paying taxes on them, investors can instruct the fund managers to reinvest the gains and thereby maximize the returns. Alright, now our order is fully configured. Let's click Verify. Everything seems to be okay with the order. We have no error messages. And now let's click Trade. And here we have our order. And when the market closes, the mutual fund will receive our order and it will be executed. Trading of mutual funds is fully supported in our mobile apps as well. Let's go to our iOS app. Let's tap on some mutual fund. Let's tap Trade. And here we have a similar user interface for trading mutual funds. We can buy the fund, sell it, exchange it, or perform full liquidation. Let's go with $250. When it comes to dividends, we're going to reinvest them. We're also going to reinvest short-term gains. But as far as long-term gains, if the fund sells some long-term holdings and realizes a nice profit, let's make sure they distribute it right back to us. Alright, now let's tap Verify Order and tap Place Order. Let's go to the Orders tab, and here we have our order. So here we're buying $250 worth of this fund, and when the time comes, the order will be executed. Alright, so that is it for this video. If you have any questions about trading of mutual funds in ETNA Trader, feel free to go to our website at www.etnasoft.com. And there you can also contact us and schedule a demo. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel where you can watch our other videos on ETNA Trader's web and mobile platforms. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye.